In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate LinkedIn with HubSpot. This integration can greatly enhance your marketing and sales outreach by allowing you to sync data across platforms and streamline your workflow. So let's jump right in. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to the HubSpot user guide. To do this, launch your preferred web browser and go to the HubSpot main page. If you've not already logged in, please enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you can find a link to the user guide either in your profile or as a direct link from the dashboard. Open the user guide and you're set for the next steps. Now that you have the user guide open, let's move to the marketplace section. This is your go-to resource for finding all sorts of apps and add-ons that can enhance your HubSpot experience. Look towards the navigation pane and search for the marketplace button. It might be labeled a bit differently depending on updates or specific account setups, but generally, it remains the same. Click on it to proceed. Once in the marketplace, click on the Apps section. This is where all the third-party applications that HubSpot can integrate with are listed. It's quite a comprehensive list, so to make things easier, we're going to use the search function. In the search bar at the top, type in LinkedIn. This will help you locate the app quickly without having to scroll through the entire list. After typing in LinkedIn in the search bar, you should see a list of related options. Look for the official LinkedIn app. You'll recognize it by LinkedIn's logo and a brief description of its functionalities. Once you see it, go ahead and click on it to learn more about what it offers and how it can sync with HubSpot. Next, you'll want to officially link the app with your HubSpot account. To do this, locate the Install App button on the LinkedIn app page. By clicking Install, you're essentially granting permission for LinkedIn to connect and share data with your HubSpot platform. This will involve an authorization process where you might need to log into your LinkedIn account if you're not already logged in. Follow the prompts carefully to ensure you've completed the authorization process. And there you have it. With the LinkedIn app installed on HubSpot, your integration is complete. This setup allows you to merge your professional connections and business insight, creating a seamless marketing experience. You'll be able to manage contacts more efficiently, create professional networks with ease, and sync data between the two platforms. This enhances your CRM strategy by tapping into LinkedIn's vast professional network. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials just like this one. See you next time.